This is questions 1, 2 and 7 from exercise 3.2 in Project Maths 3A. We've determined whether the given point is inside, on or outside the given circle. So let's look to question 1 first. We're given the point 3, 1 and the circle x squared plus y squared equals 10. In order to check whether this point is on the circle or not, we can substitute in the x value for x and the y value for y. So when we do that, we'll get 3 squared plus 1 squared is equal to 10. In which case we're going to get 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. So we get 10 equals 10. So because the point 3, 1 satisfies this equation, in other words, we get the same thing on the left of the equals as we do on the right, it means that the point 3, 1 is on the circle x squared plus y squared equals 10. Let's take a look at question 2 now and see how this one works out. So this time we're given the point 4, 2 and the circle x squared plus y squared equals 17. We'll follow the same procedure as we did for 1, where we substitute the values in. So we'll get 4 squared plus 2 squared is equal to 17, in which case we get 16 plus 4 is equal to 17. But this time, instead of having them equal, we're going to end up with 20 equals 17. So because the x squared plus y squared, in other words the bit to the left, is larger than the bit to the right, which is the radius squared, it means that the point 4, 2 is outside of this circle. So this is outside. And this one of course was on. And now let's look to question 7. We've got the point 1 minus 9 and the circle x squared plus y squared equals 100. We're going to follow the same procedure as we did for the last two. So we're going to have 1 squared plus minus 9 squared, and that's equal to 100, which means we get 1 plus 81 equals 100. So we get 82 equals 100. So because what we have to the left here, because when we put in our values the x squared plus y squared is smaller than what's on the right, which is the radius squared, that means that this point 1 minus 9 is inside the circle. X squared plus y squared equals 100. And that is that.